sayon tuduan sa pag-adto sa simbahan, pagsimba kay ang mga bata mao kana ang gusto ni Jesus nga iyang panalanginan busa mga igsoon. Ang gingon niya sa John chapter 3 verse 13 to 16 mga igsoon atong basahon. Some people brought children to Jesus for him to place his hands on them, but the disciples scolded the people. 14. When Jesus noticed this, he was angry and said to his disciples, "Let the children come to me, and do not stop them, because the kingdom of God belongs to such as this. I assure you that whoever does not receive the kingdom of God like a child will never enter it." Then he took the children in his arms, placed his hands on each of them, and blessed them. Sumao ka na. Ipanalangin na ni Jesus ang mga bata. So,